Hello, ChemSparks family. How have you all been? Anita here again today. I want us to look at another important aspect of chemistry, which is rules of naming inorganic compounds. So we'll be looking at IUPAC nomenclature of inorganic compounds. Okay, so come with me. Let's look at these rules used in naming inorganic compounds. Before I progress, please, I'm appealing to you. Comment, like, and share my post. And I will be glad and happy you did so. And there are so many persons out there who you might be helping when you share this post. So please comment on my post. Engage me. I'm here to attend to you all, okay? Thank you. So now to the rules. Let's delve right into it. Rule number 1. In ionic compounds, that is compounds made up of a metal and a non-metal, the name of the metal should come first, followed by the non-metal. Example, sodium chloride. Or another example is potassium chloride. Now note, in cases where the metal has variable oxidation state, variable means more than one oxidation state, the oxidation state of that metal should come immediately after the name of the metal, written in Roman numerals and closed in parentheses. Example of metals with variable oxidation states are iron, chromium, nickel, manganese, etc. All of these metals have variable oxidation state. Okay, so when they form compounds, the oxidation state of that element or the oxidation state of that metal in that compound should come immediately after the name of the metal enclosed in parentheses. Example is iron 2 chloride. This is the formula and this is the name. Iron 2 chloride. We also have iron 3 chloride, etc. Let's move to the next rule. Rule number 2. Simple anions in ionic compounds should end with IDA. Example, chlorine in sodium chloride ends with what? IDA. That is, the ending part of chlorine, INA, as in chlorine, changes to what? IDA. Okay? That is why we have sodium chloride. Let's move to the next rule. Rule number 3. Do not use Roman numerals for metals with fixed oxidation states. Examples of metals with fixed oxidation states include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, etc. So do not use Roman numerals for these metals in their ionic compounds. Okay, example is calcium chloride, magnesium bromide. Their oxidation states are not written in Roman numerals and closed in parentheses. Let's move to rule number 4. Rule number 4. For polyatomic ions such as the nitrate ion, the sulfate ion, the nitrite ion, use their names as they are. Don't change the ending parts of their names when naming them in their compounds. Example, copper 2 sulfate. You don't change the ending part of the sulfate ion. But there's an exception to this. In the stock system of IUPAC nomenclature of inorganic compounds, the number of oxygen atoms are taken into consideration and are named as either oxo, dioxo, trioxo, tetraoxo, pentaoxo, hexaoxo, heptaoxo, etc. as the case may be. After taking into consideration the number of the oxygen atoms present, remember, you don't write it as oxygen. Rather, you change the YGEN to O. Oxygen becomes what? Oxo. So, after taking into consideration the number of oxygen atoms present, then the name of the ion will now end with the oxidation state of that particular what? Non-metal present in that polyatomic what? Ion. Example is this. In the nitrate ion, the IUPAC nomenclature of nitrate ion, according to the stock system of naming inorganic compounds, is trioxonitrate 5 ion. Hope you got that right. Then, when it's present in a compound, example, copper 2 nitrate, we name it as copper 2 trioxonitrate 5. Okay, for the sulfate ion, it is named as tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. When it's present in a compound, we name it as sodium tetraoxosulfate 6. Okay, and this talk system of naming compounds is what is used majorly in Nigeria. When you get to other countries like the US, for instance, they still maintain what? The nitrate ion, sulfate ion. We still call it that in Nigeria, but most times in your external exams, what you will see is what? The stock system of what? IUPAC nomenclature. Hope you got that. Stay tuned as we continue shortly on this series. Thank you so much for being a part of this family. And then, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to this channel. I bet you will be so happy you did. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my content, comment on my content. Even you'll be happy you did. Yes, so I'm here for you always. If you have any question, you can always reach out to me. I'm here to attend to them. Okay, thank you. See you shortly. Bye.